Hello all, I'll be talking about Vue.js application development using Vue CLI. So Vue CLI means like command line interface. So this like any other CLI, like you might have heard about like Angular CLI, React, or like Vue CLI. So it's all so the same purpose. So it will help you to do the rapid development. So it will give you the initial set of things you want to set up the project. So all the initial requirement, the routing, component type, structure, all those details will be available with the Vue CLI bundle project. So you need to worry about only the functionalities you want to create for your application. So UCLI's documentation is very good, so you can go through it and create it all thing by yourself if you have some experience in the code development, like open source stuff. But if you're like a newbie, so I'm just going through the part like different section, and I'll be showing you how you can create a new project using Vue CLI. So I've seen like many people asking in like forums like how to start the development. So it's just initial setup, how you can set up the environment to start development, code development with Vue.js. So so as you see in the documentation, like you can see the command like you can use for installing the Vue CLI. So there are two options. It's given like Node Package Manager or like a yarn. So you need Node.js, so you can download a Node.js from this Node.js site. So you can download the stable latest version. And there is another, like you've seen, there's one more package manager that is called Yarn Package Manager. So Facebook has developed this new package manager. So they claim that it's more reliable and like more secure compared to Yarn and compared to NPM. So but I'll create a dummy project. So like we can see what are all commands you need to type in the command line to create a project. So this is a shortcut to open the Visual Studio Code. So I just opened Visual Studio Code in the path where I want to create the project. So the thing is that you need to install Vue CLI globally. So if you already installed, it will don't install again. It will just anyway. I'll just run the command. So if it's not the latest one, it will. If you run this command, it will update to the latest Vue CLI. So I'll just pause for a moment. So let the installation complete. Then I will start. Okay, so the Vue CLI has installed. So now we will just check the version. So if you type view hyphen version, so it will give the Vue CLI version. So it's the we have latest Vue CLI installed. So now what we'll do, we will create our first project. So we can create it in two ways. So first I'll just show you the command, like a view create command, view create, and the project name you want to create. Okay, so it will ask for like you can select the different configuration you want. So I will just select it manually. So I need TypeScript, I need a router, I need a Vuex, so CSS unit testing I need. So same like this. So these are the features available. So you can just click space and select which are not the features you want. Then you click enter. So use class style component syntax, yes. So using history mode for router. So if you use history mode, it will be like you can see localhost slash the particular route whichever you are using. And if you won't use history mode, there will be a hash in between. So if you use history mode, that hash will go. So easily with error prevention, yeah. Lindon say just. So this one all like select package.json. So you can, after selecting all these features, then you can just save that features also, like as a name. So next time you can just you can use that, like it will be showing this name, so you don't need to do this whole step again. You can just select this particular the set the features you have selected, so it will by default it will select all those things, and it will be creating project with that particular set of features you have selected. So I've given the name demo. So it will just create the project. You need to just wait for some 1 minute. So I'll just pause until the installation completes. So VueCLI has almost created our project. So it is doing the final steps now. So once that, so here you can see the project folder structure, all those details it has created. So here you can see the, so it's some more time restricted. So here I'll just show you the package.json file. So here you can see like all the dependencies, dev dependencies, and yes, linked, all project configuration related stuffs you can find it here, and the TypeScript configuration, all the details will be available in this ts config. And you have like the scripts, like if you want to do the npm or yarn serve or start, whatever you want to use. So all those details you can see here. Like if you give yarn serve or npm serve, it will be like using this particular command ucli service, ucli service build. So like that for building, testing the unit test, linting. So all those all details are available inside the script part. So it has completed creating our project successfully. So now what you can do is like you can do like cd my project and just do answer. That's all. To launch your application in the default port, like 8080 port. So now we will go to 8080. So that's it. So it just launched a web application with all the initial configuration. So you can see it has a route, it has like two tabs and all the some HTML content it has binded. So you can see like all the details here. So it has a main.ts, so this is the entry point, and here it will be like app.view is the initial component. So here you are given the router link to like different components. So those router details you can find inside this router.ts. So if you this is like store, like if you want to use any vs related action, that can be found here. So that's all about the settings. So now you can see the hello world.view here. So and here it will be like a hello world, all the template details will be here, and then you have like a view separate, like about, this is about page, and this is uh, home page. So here we are taking the hello world component here. So here we are calling this hello world component, so to directly bind all the details in the hello world component. So in route, if you check, you can see like here you are calling uh, home component and about component. So mode you have mentioned it as history. So it's like all the details you can, this is the initial basic project has created, so you can go through each folder and find what and all details are there. So I have some styling renditions, it is showing, that is fine, that's not a problem actually. So now you have seen the about page. This is an about page, some like about demo. So once you change it, it will automatically build the project. Now you can go here and you can see this is an about page about demo. Some I just want to show you, like if you change it, it will be reflected there. So that's the way, like you can start building more features to your application. What are the features required in your application, all those things you can try out. So this initial setup will help you to launch the application in a server, like, and you will get like the serve yeah, like yarn serve, yarn build, and we can do the run the unit test, all those details. So that's all about the initial setup. I hope you understood the basic setup how we can do it. So this is with the CLI. So another option is like you can, there's one more option, like you can do the yarn UI. So the other option, it is like view UI. Instead of like you can create it from a user interface also. So earlier we have seen like we are given like view create project, right? So instead of that, if you give view UI, it will launch a UI, and there you can select the particular dashboard. So you can select based on the which and all path you want to specify. Based on that, it will show the project. So you can once you are in that path, like you can create new project there as using the view UI as well. So once you are in view UI, so you can go here, you can select the view project manager. It will redirect you to the home page. So here you go to create, and you can select the path where you want to create your project. So you can just click this button and create a new project. It's like a pretty simple. So, and you can add the plugins if you want some other plugin, all those details you can download and include. So it will this one, so UI will give you like a more like a user interface approach, so you'll be able to picturize all the things very easily. So I prefer the other one, like you can choose like whichever is easy for you. So that's all about the basic setup. So in coming video, I will be showing like how we can. We all know like now the Vue 3 is will be, it's in beta stage. It will be releasing soon in quarter 2. So let's see, I'll just show you like how you can upgrade. So this project, if you check the package.json, you can see the Vue version is 2.6.11, and so we will see like how we can convert this project into a Vue 3 beta version. So I'll be showing that in the next video, so you can check that. Thank you.